So we are back at Mariposa in EverRange. Today we're looking at some Toll Brother models, really beautiful homes that they have out here. You have Regency at EverRange, and then you have Mariposa at EverRange. Mariposa, you're looking at about 20 home sites, but this is a big master plan community. So if you're relocating to Jacksonville, Florida, you're going to want to watch this video. I'm very excited to show you this home, guys. Let's just go ahead and hop into the tour, and we'll go over more information on this community as time goes on. So be sure to subscribe and reach out to me when you're ready. Okay, we are here in Mariposa at EverRange. This is a Jacksonville, Florida, totally brand new community. Today we're looking at the Ella Farmhouse model. This is a Toll Brothers home in the Mariposa portion of EverRange. Specifically, there's only going to be 20 home sites for the different Toll Brother models. So if you are interested in Toll Brothers in this community, let me know. I'll send you the home sites available. Stepping into the home, you have really good sight lines all the way down, and then you have this very first bedroom here at the front of the house. A lot of people that I know typically would probably make this into like some sort of office, or maybe this would be like where the guest room would be. Being so close to the front of the house, I know a lot of people might not want their kids here at the front, but you have a lot of windows letting in a whole lot of natural light. As you can see, the closet space is pretty decent for a secondary bedroom. And then from this angle too, you can kind of just see the space that you're working with. Definitely not bad, you know. And then right off of the bedroom here is actually going to be your downstairs bathroom. Now this can be upgraded. You can have a tub in here, so it doesn't have to only be the shower. Now also keep in mind, this is the only bathroom that's going to be downstairs for any guests or anybody who's over. Kind of sad to see that they didn't add maybe like a powder room and turn this one into like an ensuite room. But keep that in mind if that is a decision point for you. You wouldn't have a dedicated powder room. Now I had to edit the video a little bit because the on-site agent was here, but this is going to be your office or your flex space, you know, whatever you want to do with this portion of the home. Now, pretty much adjacent to where your office will be, this is going to be your drop zone area. So you're coming in from the garage, drop your shoes, drop your coat, whatever. But through here, you have the 2-car garage. I like the windows inside the garage. It just adds some extra light. So then right out of the garage, now we have your walk-in laundry. I say walk-in laundry like it's a pantry. Oh my gosh, that's hilarious. But here's your laundry room. Size of it is not bad. I don't feel super cramped in here. Probably not a 2-person kind of room, but you can get it set up with your sink. And then you have all of the storage options as well. I do like how it's nice and away from the main portion of the house. So that is really convenient. But now we're in my favorite part of the home. This is going to be your great room. You can get the upgraded tray ceilings. You have the beautiful sliding pocket doors letting in so much natural light. And as you can see, the sitting area is very inviting. It's very warm and family feeling to it. It's definitely the kind of home where you can entertain very easily and enjoy the indoor-outdoor living lifestyle. If you're coming from up north, you're probably not used to that, but that is a big thing here in Florida. Now we're looking at an open concept, so your dining room is going to be right here. I say dining room, it's more like your dining area, but you have the windows letting in a good amount of natural light. You can fit a pretty decently sized table here, and of course, everybody will still be connected with what's going on in your great room from the dining area. So now for another big decision point. People either love this kitchen or they hate it. So we have a good amount of space in between here if cooking's important to you. Oven and microwave combination. And then I can actually reach these, by the way, at 5'6". So if you utilize that space, really good. Now, as I walk down a little bit further, you can see we do have the 6 burner here on gas. You do have the soft close all throughout, both on the cabinets and the drawers. Underneath the oven, you do have the space for the bigger pots and pans, so that is fantastic. And then this is one of my favorite features. I love when these corners are actually utilized and it's functional. So you have a little bit of extra storage space when you're able to do that, and it just makes things a little bit easier and a little bit tighter and neater. So that's really nice. And then let's go ahead and check out your walk-in pantry. So here is the pantry. You get a great amount of space in here. Now, this is an interesting part of the pantry because it does curve underneath the stairs quite a bit, actually. Not entirely sure what you'll utilize that bottom space for, but you have a lot of options. You can get your own storage system set up in here. It would work very, very well. Now let's make our way over to the primary bedroom, and if this home is checking some boxes for you, go ahead and reach out to me. I help buyers just like you relocate to Northeast Florida from YouTube, and I would love to give you more information on what's happening here in Mariposa. Okay, so here is the master bedroom, and as you can see, this is just jaw-dropping and gorgeous. You have so much natural light flooding this room. If you're coming from up north and you're not used to waking up to the sun hitting you in the face, this is the home that you want to add to your list because it's definitely going to happen. You can upgrade to have the tray ceiling at the top, which definitely adds some extra just sort of elegance to the space. I'd highly recommend it. You're looking at 10-foot ceilings all throughout the home. The tray will add like an extra 8 inches. Now, every really good master bedroom has a good master bath. So very basic, we just have our toilet here. There's a door that's going to be there when you actually purchase. And then directly behind that, you have your soaking tub. I wish there was a window right there, but still you get a soaking tub. You do have the walk-in shower that's nice and enclosed by the glass with a little bit of natural light from the top there. Now you do have the dual vanities. They are not separate. I know for some people you want separate dual vanities, but this is also a really nice option. You do have the soft close, of course. And then let's check out the closet here. Now, walk-in closet, 13 by like 6.5, so pretty sizable. They already have a storage system set up in here, but of course you can opt out of that and just have somebody come back later to do it after closing. It'll more than likely be cheaper. Now from here, we're gonna make our way upstairs, and upstairs is where we're gonna find your loft and the third bedroom. Because this is the model and they add a lot of the bells and whistles, we're gonna find actually that there's 2 bedrooms upstairs, because as an upgrade, you can add an additional bedroom, bringing your total to 4. Okay, making our way upstairs. I love the natural light coming from these top of the stair windows, as well as just the design detail. I think they're really intentional with how they've put this together, and it just looks great. But here we are, we have made it to the loft. Great amount of space up here, really, really nice. Adding the 4th bedroom, honestly, you can leave your kids up here, have the guests downstairs at the front of the home. We have your HVAC closet here, and a little bit of room in here as well so that you can get just a tad bit of extra space for storage. Right off of that, we have the added additional bedroom. Now, the additional bedroom you can add with an ensuite. So as you can see here, we have the shower and no tub combination in this one, but of course you can add that if that's what you want for your ensuite. And then we just have the room. Decent amount of space over here, and what I like about these 2 bedrooms up here, honestly, is that they're pretty private and they're pretty separated from each other. And then we just have this closet over here. Decent amount of space, pretty much the same as like the downstairs closet that we saw. Not bad, not bad. Let's go ahead and check out the other bedroom and just walk through the loft and see kind of what you're working with in this area as well. So this would be the hangout area. Very cool. A lot of space up here. I really like how they kind of have like the desk set up in the back. Now here's going to be that bathroom. If you do have the additional bedroom, you won't have to worry about this bathroom being shared. So that is really cool. If you do have kids, they'll have their own separate bathrooms. Not bad at all. Get a linen closet here. Yeah, I don't know why. I really love the little space over there in the corner. I could see my kids doing homework there. That's just really neat. So here we have this bedroom, big windows, a lot of natural light, good amount of space. You have the sliding doors on your closet, and I'll say this particular closet in comparison to the one we just came from, They're about the same size, only this one's just deeper, the other one was longer. So not bad at all. Let's go ahead and make our way now downstairs. And I say this in every video, but I'll say it again. The biggest mistake I see buyers make is that they reach out to the on-site agents first. And the on-site agents, they work for the builder. They don't necessarily represent you, so they work to get the builder the best possible deal. Most people tend to lose money that way. So if you are considering relocating into Northeast Florida, or you're just looking to buy new construction, reach out to me. I'd love to help you. Okay, so we have made it downstairs. This is the backyard option that you can have on your lot. First thing you'll notice, you have your full lanai. I definitely recommend getting this nice and screened in. That way you can leave your pocket doors open pretty much year round. Now this is of course the model, but it is showing you what your backyard could look like if you have the pool option. Highly recommend it in the state of Florida, but of course, you know, we're in Mariposa, so there will be a massive amenity center with a pool if having a pool in your backyard is not really something you care about. You can also have the bar upgrade out here, which is really nice, especially on days like today where it's just crazy hot. But you can have it set up just like how you're seeing it here with the grill and the fridge options. Really beautiful home. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments. Stay tuned to the end of the video. I will show you some other models in this area. So some other Mariposa homes as well as some Regency at EverRange homes. And if you want more information on this home in particular, lots, premiums, design center, all of that sort of thing, email me and I will send all of the info your way. Hey, thank you so much for watching the video. If you have not already, subscribe so you don't miss out. We're gonna be in Mariposa for at least another 10 videos, and I definitely want you to get as much information as possible, because if you're relocating here, you can go ahead and reach out to me. I will be happy to help you. Now, I chose these two videos here because they're going hand in hand with what's in this area. You have Toll Brothers over at Regency at EverRange, so I'll have that video up. And then if you wanna see a video just kind of going over how to negotiate with these builders, you can watch that as well. Y'all, thank you so much for watching. God bless, and I'll see you in the next one.